trainee will be part of an enthusiastic team that goes around the county on a yearly basis, meeting up with the site managers, and they look at the general safety of the building. Part of this is looking at the safety of the condition of the asbestos materials within the building, then look at the fire risk assessment to see if there's any changes, and also look at Legionella to see if there's any, if the processes are being followed. In addition, the condition survey of the building will be reviewed to see if there's any deterioration within the building. The advantages of this type of role, we are looking at not only are you looking at the buildings in general, so the safety of the building, but we're looking at the condition. So it's a varied role, and it's an exciting opportunity for somebody to look at the broad spectrum of the building industry. First of all, the trainee will receive training in the three specific elements, which is fire safety, Legionella safety, and asbestos training, which will then follow on to a master's degree in building surveying. This is an exciting opportunity for somebody to work in the building and building safety industry, but in addition there's an opportunity to work in my opinion, one of the most beautiful parts of the world, and also to work to follow a career in the medium of Welsh, which for me personally is very important.